Welcome to Justina's Healthy Ghanaian Meals. Today I will be showing you one of my favorite side dishes. This particular rice dish, you can do so much with it. What is it? It is waakye. Waakye simply means rice and beans. Yes, that's literally what the name waakye means. What makes this rice so special? The taste, the aroma, and how much you can meal prep with it. You can do so much with it. You can have it with vegan dishes. You can have it with seafood dishes. You can have it with red meat. You can just have it with sometimes with just avocado, with veggies, whatever your preference is. This dish, you can use it in your meal prep. So let me show you how I make it my way. Why? Because in my kitchen, I love my food to smell delicious and taste amazing. Why? Because if I'm gonna gain weight, I might as well eat good. Here are the ingredients I use in my waakye. I will also list it in the description below. I normally tie up my waakye leaves so it makes it easy to remove it. Let's start cooking. You start off with the beans, you add water and you add your waakye leaves, some salt to taste, and I add bay leaves on my recipe for flavor. I showed 3 cups here, but I actually use 5 cups of water to cook the beans, and I'm cooking 1 cup of beans. You're cooking your beans first because beans takes longer to cook, and you want your beans to be cooked halfway before you add the rice. So the best way to do it is to check the beans. Look in the video and see how I normally check my beans so you know when your beans is done. I don't really want to give you a time because it all depends on how much beans you are cooking, the pot that you're cooking in, and also the heat that you're using to cook your food. So just check it manually as I have shown in this video. And as you can see, the beans is still hard. It's not done. Let it keep cooking. Because I use my waakye dish as a side dish to go with my proteins, I add the bell pepper, the garlic, and the shallot and a teaspoon of oil. It really makes the rice very, very easy to use as a pair for any veggie, any protein that I am having. So I love cooking it this way. And remember, keep checking your beans. The beans is halfway done. Yes. So now I am adding my veggies and my rice, and the rice can cook in the base. Cooking is all about aroma for me, so of course I have to add some spices to make my house smells good. Once you add your rice, just stir it, lower the heat, and just cover it and let the rice cook slowly. I normally remove my waakye leaves, but you can let it cook throughout the dish. It's completely fine either way. It's all personal preference. I was cooking 1 cup to 1 cup of beans, but I realized that I had a little bit of rice sitting there, so that's what you see me adding here. From this point forward, just make sure your heat is not too high so your rice does not burn and it can cook slowly and just absorb all of the color and the aroma and all of the yumminess in this broth. Old-fashioned ways are still in style. If you struggle to know when your rice is done, take some with your hand, press it to see if it is done to your preference. Okay, just a little bit shopping tip when buying Waakye leaves. You can find Waakye leaves at any African grocery store. I have noticed that some Hispanic grocery store have it in their African aisle section, and also some Asian stores have it in the African aisle section of their grocery store. And I watch it, it is done. Yes. Remember to like the video, share the channel with your friends, and come back next week where I will share. I made a lot, so I am saving some of it for next time. Even though I only cooked 1 cup. You see how much meal I got? Yes, you do not need a lot of rice because rice grows when you cook it. Thank you. Bye-bye.